Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to delete the Arattai account on your mobile application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to perfectly delete the Arattai account, or I'm just going to show a delete guide, step-by-step guide. So to delete your Arattai account on your mobile phone, first of all open the chat and click on the three dot option on the top. After clicking on the three dot option, just go to the setting option. After going inside the setting option, just scroll down. You can find an option called, just go to the add accounts. And here you have the option called delete account. Deleting your account will delete all your contacts and chat in other time, like same as like WhatsApp. Click on the delete account. Now you just need to enter your mobile number here. So it will send a verification to your mobile number. So after confirming it, your account will be deleted. So the delete your account will permanently remove your account from the Arattai, and also yes, your chat history and profile picture. Delete your section from all the connected device. This is how it's work. If you just need to delete the account, just go to the setting, go to the accounts and just click on the delete account. That's it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.